all the forensic evidence, all the legal opinions, the independent experts involved in this case, I am satisfied that we have done a very thorough, a very independent, and a complete investigation related to this. I understand that there are deep concerns anytime an officer employs force. That's correct, it's reasonable, it's understandable. My obligation is simply to analyze all of those and come to the decision that I think is fair and that is consistent with my ethical obligation not to charge unless I believe that I can demonstrate a crime occurred beyond a reasonable doubt. That's what's occurred in this case. I'm confident of our decision, and I'm more than willing to take any questions that you might have related to this investigation. Yes, sir.
Yeah. 14 shots fired.
We believe it was 14 shots fired. The maximum.
Just in order to stop an individual, 14 shots really necessary to stop an individual?
If the threat is still present, then there is no standard for how many shots you fire. So I want to make that perfectly clear as well. Again, there is no standard that says that an officer is required to stop and reassess after firing X amount of rounds. The national standard, the standard that all police officers are trained to, is that they fire to stop the threat. As long as the threat is still present, they are authorized to continue firing. And if that occurs in a relatively short period of time and the person has not reacted to the initial show of force, then the officer is continued to use force until the threat is stopped.
There are no threats on social media.